Employability skills. Are you unemployed? Do you want to build the best ever CV? Do you want to know how to impress your interviewer in a job interview? If you answered yes to the above, here comes a lifetime opportunity to gain the latest employability skills that you need to get employed. The largest collection of e-learning units on employability skills. These video-based training films contain effective learning doses filled with practical and powerful audio-visual content. 2,000 minutes of learning and avail the benefit of anytime, anywhere e-learning. Take your first step and visit our website www.knowledgeharmony.org and enroll now. Limited spaces, so join now.